So let's say you're 3D printing and you want to have two parts that fit together. We'll use split, and we'll use rectangle, and we'll just cut it in half. So now we have two separate pieces, and I'll just move them. So let's use like a peg that we can put on here that will fit inside here. So we'll go to our scene and we'll add a cylinder. We'll take the gizmo. First I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to hit snap just so I know that it's going exactly 90 degrees. We'll use gizmo, and then we'll move it up. We'll shrink it, and we'll just use our gizmo to find the position that we want. And I'll move this further away so we can kind of see what's happening. So we'll move this part into this half. Let's put it right in the middle. So now what I like to do is taper this cylinder. So we just go to this options here, and then we can just bring this in a little bit. And you can also put this part out a little bit. So now we have a nice taper. Validate this part, and we can take this cylinder, and we can take this half of the sphere. We'll just take those and join them. So now what we need to do is, just like we did the Boolean before, we just need to do that with this piece. So this is the part that we want to carve out of this. So let's clone it, hide one, and then let's move this over to right where it needs to go. Okay, so now we can just take, so we have this half of the sphere, and then we have this half of the sphere. So let's hide the one that we want to carve out. Boolean, Boolean. And now we have a hole on this side. And now we have the other piece on this side. I'm going to go ahead and color them the same thing. So this, I'm just going to voxel remesh. So that should clean up those ugly edges. And with this, I'm going to voxel remesh as well. So now they're both two solid pieces that will fit together. Of course, there's a million variations of this, but hopefully this gets the idea of how I do it. Keep drawing, keep sculpting. See you all in the next video.